Hi everyone and happy Friday. I wanted to do a follow-up and probably last episode of the that Iron Condor series episodes I've been running. Let's do an update to where we're at. And actually, there's a couple things I want to go over. Uh, I believe last Friday when things were expiring, I I think I didn't notice that I had AMD in the money, and I got assigned. But since I had some cash left, I was able to just take ownership. What sucks is 2 days ago it was at my strike price was at $68. 2 days ago it went to almost 69, and I should have sold it. But yesterday we had a tank in the market and everything went down, and now I'm under again. That's what happens when you get greedy. Now naturally though, I did want to sell a call against this for Friday, but I'm kind of stuck in a bad spot here since I'm under $25,000 on the account. I'm what's it called? Pattern day trade limited, so I can't really do anything, which really sucks. What happened is I opened another account to start being more consistent with my strategies, because a lot of this stuff is stuff I'm trying to clean up from my past trades, and the profit and loss dailies affect the overall net liquidity of my account. So I wanted to do just like a separate account where I can focus just on one strategy and see if it plays out without having the profit or loss get skewed by other strategies that I've been throwing around, like on this account. But now that this is under 25,000, and that one is also, I only put 2 grand in there, so I can't do anything in either one. But that's my that's the reason, because like I said, AMD, it was like almost $2. So I don't know where I'm at here. I got assigned. Well, I'm gonna run this clean. I'm gonna probably hold on to AMD until it hits 28. I'm sorry, $68 again, and maybe just close the position. Yeah, here it was on Wednesday or Tuesday. 68.82 was the high, and the day before it dropped off real quick. And what else we I don't know. Let's see, what else did we have in this ABB, AMD, ABB. I don't see this one. I guess that we're done with that. AMD, Amazon. Expedia, Amazon, Expedia. No Amazon, no Expedia. Google, JPM, Netflix. Google, JPM, Netflix. Looks like those expired. Nike, PayPal, Roku. NKE, PYPL, and Roku. This is not part of that strategy. This is, like they said, this is, by the way, this is the position that cost me shit 80 grand in this account, because I bought some calls. I'm sorry, some yeah, I bought some calls in when was this? Right around, where's the turn of the year? Right here. After seeing the fall from 310 to 187, I thought I was gonna have a quick turnaround, like with everything's gonna go crazy again, and it didn't. And I bought like 35 or so call options, leap calls, because that was like way over a year long down here, and they were like, this strike was in the money. See, it's 180 back then. This was at 193. I was probably buying it like right around here. And those suckers cost me like $24 or so. See, this is at the money price. And it dropped down to like $1. They're actually higher now. That's what I'm trying to average down. And there's another example of why you need to keep your own Excel sheet to track your trades, because I don't know why. They used to be the average of all my trades, but I think I sold some and then I bought some again, and I had to do some stuff, and my average, the TD Ameritrade platform, it 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 lost the true average price, and it's not that's not what I bought these at. I wish I did. I wouldn't be down 80 grand, and I think it was like 35 or so, and then I averaged down again, and it's just a big mess. So that's PayPal for me. It was a very painful one. Yeah, call options. That's call options for. Okay, so PayPal. See, I'm getting sidetracked a lot, and that's another thing I was thinking about when I'm making these videos is I think I need to. We're going forward. I'm not gonna do 10 Iron Condors, or I'm gonna try to limit my chatter to just one topic at a time, and then maybe make different episodes and about different subjects and whatnot, so that I'm not ranting or rambling rather all over the place. Let's see, Square, Uber, Zillow. We have Zillow, Square, and Uber. No Uber. Let's see what Square, Zillow's doing. No, that's not. Again, that's not part of it. Trade price. Oh, we're actually allegedly profitable with Zillow. And ZM. What the hell is ZM? ZM. Is that Zillow too? No, that's Zoom Video. Yeah. I don't know why I have this. Wait, do I have this? What am I? I don't have this. I don't know what I'm doing. My brain's somewhere else today. Okay. So, AMD, I let that get away from me. I shouldn't have, but I did, and luckily it's not. It's a $68 price. So that means I got $6,000, $6,800 worth of stock right now. These are stocks. And what I meant by having a damn pattern day trade on your account, which sucks, is let me show you what happens. I would have been able to sell. Yeah, see this call? This was like about $1.50 2 days ago. It was about $2 yesterday, or 2 days ago, because it was up. So let's try to sell this against our covered call. We can sell a covered call right now, but it's gonna tell us that we can't. Your day, blah blah blah, restricted, no opening trades, which is strange because I thought that the definition, I haven't looked at it to be honest, but I know what a pattern day trade marking is, and it's where you can't make the same trade or go in and out of a position twice or more than a couple times in a day, in like a rolling 30-day average or something like that. And I wasn't doing that, and I still got it, unless it's trailing from some previous one, because I think by the time it resets you need to wait like a month or maybe even 3. I really don't want to bother looking into it, because long story short is you just need to have over 25 grand in your account if you want to be at all active, or else you can't do shit. So the only thing you can do, you're free to do at any time now, is just close out your positions, or maybe open new ones. Let's see if I can buy something. What do I want to buy? Nothing really. Let's see how the SPY's doing. But for some reason it's not letting me trade AMD. What if let's see how RCL is doing. Whoa, are we actually gonna be out of trouble with RCL? Wow, we are. Finally get to finish this one off. This was from, I think, my first video. So we're gonna have a negative 132 if I was tracking this correctly. So that's not necessarily a. Looks like we lost $1.32 or $132 on this trade. Let's see what happens if we open a new one. If we're limited to all these. Let's see what it's doing. I think it's a good Iron Condor candidate. 84%, like I said. Let's do what's this gonna give us? Only $5 versus 10 figures. Okay, and on this side let's do the same thing. So we're looking at 23 over 77. Rejected, restricted. Yeah, we're locked out really. So much for making trade videos this for this time. And I'm actually averaging about, I'm trying to put in $2,000 a month into the account to try to more. After all I've been through with the market, I'm starting to realize it's probably, at least in my case, since I've lost so much money, it's better to be more of an investor than a trader, which means to look long term, like, you know, over a year to 10 years for your goals, and not do quick trades, because obviously it's not working out for me. But I am trying to try out these strategies and see if they work, but now I can't even do that. Okay, so we're just going to be stuck in manage mode now to sell what's going against us, or if something's going up like this AMD, we'll try to take an opportunity, or I'll put more money in the account, but I don't really want to do that. I don't want to break my own rules. So let's see here. Overall, we lost, where is this tally? Great. So we lost about $200 on the Condors, looks like, and then another 132 on the RCL trade. So that's not a good thing. We'll have to, we'll start a new episode, and it's gonna have to be have a cleaner format, so I'm not all over the place. So that's my update, and I guess that's the last episode for these. For the 10 Iron Condor 84% success rate idea. Also, I thought I'd mention, I believe the Tastyworks trading platform from Tasty Trade. If you ever want to learn everything about options, I think that's the best route to take when it comes to looking for some kind of mentorship. Go to Tom Sosnoff or tastytrade.com. Go on Tasty Trade on YouTube and start watching all their videos. Start looking at their strategies, and you'll be on your way to understanding stock option trading and selling stuff short. Their motto is to sell, trade small, trade often, which isn't necessarily something I agree on fully, but it's better than what I've been doing, which is trade huge and blow up your account. So to get your a really good bearing with teachers that are way better than myself, you can definitely, and they have a whole platform and role. But anyways, back to my point. I believe Tastyworks, I don't know, they might let you trade. They trade under $25,000 in the account, and they might even let you sell naked calls and naked puts without cash secured. But at that point, you're really taking on a lot of risk. I think you have to sign some kind of agreement on their platform when you're signing up to do so. If you know what you're doing, or you want to blow up an account, or even worse, be in debt because something went past what you can afford, then that's on you. But I think their platform lets you do that, because they kind of want to make things simple, which is good. I do like it, because I think everybody should be responsible for their own actions, and know what they're doing before they do it, and then face the consequences. That's why I like to, even that's why I sell Iron Condors, and if I want to sell a naked straddle or naked strangle, I'll still put on some wings, so it'll still be an Iron Condor, because that'll just protect your max risk, especially in these smaller accounts. Oh, and a quick shout out to the one subscriber that's subscribed to my channel, probably on accident, or it's a bot. Thank you.